So, today we're going to review the Ehrenberg Tarot by Steve Ehrenberg. Ang cute nito. Ito yung tarot na naka-zoom in. So, na-open ko na to bago kasi ako mag-review or mag-flip through. Chine-check ko muna yung tarot. So, ina-unsealed ko na siya. Chine-check ko na muna yung itsura ng tarot. But of course, alam ko yung sasabihin ko when it comes to the quality of the tarot. So, this one, na-curious ako. Ang cute. Ano siya? Naka-zoom in yung tarot. So, yun. Tingnan muna natin yung box. So, binili ko rin siya sa US. So, lahat ng tarot na nire-review ko, made in USA. No, actually, made in China, but ang author is from US. No, so yan. Ehrenberg Tarot. Ito yung side. Yan. Ito yung back. This is 78 cards. Open na natin. Tingnan muna natin yung kanyang guidebook. Anipis lang ng guidebook niya. Cute lang. Black and white. Okay. May upright and reverse. Pero ang meaning ng upright and reverse niya, it's ano lang. Keywords. So, for the upright, yun lang. Spontaneous, carefree, fresh, starts, boundless potential. For reverse, immature, gullible, impulsive. Tapos meaning ng the fool. Parang ganun. Ganun lang siya. Same with the, actually, one page for the major arcana. But when it comes to the medyo hati-hati na siya when it comes to the minor arcana. Ayan. Pero same lang din. Meron siyang upright tsaka reverse meaning. Ayun. So, 74 pages. Ayan. US Game System Incorporated din siya. Connecticut, USA din ang may gawa sa kanya. Ayan yung kanyang guidebook. Maliit lang. Cute lang. So, tignan natin yung cards. So, let's check the quality of the card first. Quality ng card is yung ano muna, itsura ng back. Alright, pwede siyang reverse, no? Hindi siya halata. Ito yun na yung naka-reverse, ito yung upright. So, pwede siyang basahin ng reverse, hindi siya halata pag naka-reverse. Then, this is the upright. Cool. The quality, okay siya. Hindi siya glossy. Hindi rin siya ganun kamat. Tama lang. Hindi din siya ganun kanipis. Na pag shuffle mo, yung iba kasi pag shuffle mo, naiiwan sa kamay mo, ano siya eh, nabebend agad. Ito hindi. Maganda yung quality ng card. Maganda. Okay, let's start the flip through. The Fool. O, yan. Ganyan siya. Naka-zoom in. Cute, diba? Alright, lalagay ko siya dito sa gilid. Lagyan natin sa box. Yan. The Fool. Para hindi dumulas. The Magician. Diba? Lahat naka-zoom in. High Priestess. The Empress. Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. The Strength. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hangman. Death. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. The Judgment. The World. Yung bilog 1/4 na lang yata nakita. Ace of Cups. 2 of Cups. Hindi na nila nilagay yung cups, pero yun na lang, symbol na lang. Ito here. 4 of Cups. 5. Sa sobrang zoom in, 3 of Cups na lang nakita. Pero nilagay naman yan na 5. 6 of Cups. Hindi na nakita yung isang bata. Diba 2 bata yan? Andun yung isang bata sa gilid. Dahil nga naka-zoom in siya. Isang bata na lang nakita. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Sa sobrang layo na niya, ito na lang yung naka-zoom in. 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King. Ace of Pentacles. Hindi niya naisip na i-zoom na lang tong bilog. 2 of Pentacles. Zoom niya yung nostrils. 3 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. 9. 10 of Pentacles. Family yan, di ba, na may dog. So, sa dog na lang siya naka-zoom in. 8 ay Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. 3 of Swords. 3 of Swords, yeah. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. 8 of Swords. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page. Knight. Queen. King. Ace. 2. 3 of Wands. 4. 5 of Wands. 6 of Wands. 7. 8 of Wands. 9 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Bato na lang nakita. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands, and King of Wands. So, try natin shuffle. Kapag casino shuffle, siguro pag casino shuffle, di ko to ganong re-recommend for casino shuffle. Parang feeling ko magbe-bento. Feeling ko lang. Pag ganito. Parang mas recommend ko siyang i-shuffle this way. Ganitong way. Oops. Mas okay siya i-shuffle this way. Ganyan. This way. When it comes to shuffle, swabe naman siya. Okay lang. Anong sabi? 10 of Wands daw. Oops. Oh, King of Wands. May bumaliktad. Anong sabi? 3 of Wands daw. Ang ganda niya. Ano, unique. Unique siya. Unique. Queen of Pentacles. For me, it's unique. The design is unique. Kakaiba. Wala akong nakikita nito sa iba. Very unique. Oh, ang sarap niya i-shuffle. I love this. Very unique. So, for me, dahil unique siya, ang rating ko sa kanya is 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 siya sa akin. Worth the price. Worth the price. So, yun lang. Any tarot in mind, Lenormand Oracle that you want me to review, just let me know. Maybe available na siya here. If not, just let me know. I'll try my best to find it. Okay? Thank you and see you in my next video.